In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a multivariate email test campaign. Start by opening your email marketing platform and, in the left menu, clicking Campaigns. This is where all of your outreach lives, and it's the best place to keep everything organized. Next, click Create. You'll be taken to the Create an Email page, which is your starting canvas for building and testing your message. Scroll down until you find the section labeled Create a Multivariate Test, then click Create Test. Multivariate testing lets you compare different versions of your email to understand which elements influence performance, so you can make data-backed decisions instead of guessing. Enter the internal campaign name. Use a clear, consistent naming convention that describes the goal and what you're testing, so teammates can find and understand it later. Keep it concise and avoid sensitive information. Choose what you want to test, such as the subject line, the content, or the send time. If you want to learn what gets the most opens, test subject lines. If you care about clicks or conversions, test content like headlines, images, or calls to action. When timing is your hypothesis, pick send time. Focus your test on a clear question so results are easy to interpret. Select the audience for the test. Pick a segment that accurately represents the people you want to reach, and make sure it's large enough to yield meaningful results. The more representative your audience, the more reliable your insights will be. Set the percentage of contacts for each variation. Even splits, like 50-50 for 2 versions, or 25-25, 25-25 for 4, are simple and effective. Ensure your percentages add up correctly and provide enough contacts per variation to detect differences with confidence. Design each email variation. Keep everything consistent except the element you're testing, so the results point to a single cause. For subject line tests, keep the email content identical. For content tests, change only the specific component you're evaluating. Always include clear calls to action, mobile-friendly layouts, and accessible formatting. Preview and test send each version to catch formatting or link issues before launch. Click Continue or Review to double-check your setup. Confirm the audience, the test variables, the split, and the message details. A quick review now prevents messy results later. When everything looks right, click Start Test to launch the experiment according to your settings, or click Send if your configuration requires a direct send to proceed. That's it. Your multivariate test is live, and you'll be ready to learn what resonates most with your audience.